All right, guys. All right. We're going to install Hyprland on Gentoo Linux. So the first thing you need to do is go to Hyprland Gentoo. So the first thing to do is to install eSelect repository. I already have that installed, but you also have to install git, which is like emerge ask dev vcs /git. As you can see, it's already installed. The R means if you want to reinstall it, but we're not going to do that. So we're going to continue on with installing or enabling the repository. So we're going to go doas su and go to emaint sync. Oh wait, no. eSelect repository enable hyper overlay there we go. And then we're just gonna sync the one repository. So we're gonna do is emaint sync -r hyper overlay. I'm gonna put the letters much bigger if you want that. Just let me know in the chat. There we go. That's much better. And then we're gonna go and add this to our accept keywords. So we're gonna open an instance of Emacs because Emacs is cool. It's God chosen distro, as they say. I don't know, but I'm learning it, so why not use it? Alright, space sf. We're gonna put a tramp stamp on this bitch. Just kidding. Forget what I said. Hyper overlay. Control X plus. So we're gonna insert any package that's in the hyper overlay to accept the keyword, since it's all these packages are masked. I would assume that's why they have it accept keywords, to accept all keywords in hyper overlay, so you don't get a mask packages are packages you cannot install because like they're either incompatible or they're not stable enough, but they're easy to unmask, as they say. All right, moving on. Let's see if wrote this correctly. Space OT. All right. Space Burger King. And now we're going to read on Alright, due to transitional stage from Hyprland from Gentoo to Hyper Overlay, some packages need to be on masks. This is only a temporary step and will be unneeded for March 12, 2026. What? Due to the transitional stage of moving. Okay. So, this is temporarily required. We're going to open Doom Emacs again. And we're going to do space FF, backspace all the way. Put a tramp stamp on the bitch. Don't do that. Please. I'm begging you. I just pasted it there. Then we're going to write it. Oh. Hyper overlay. Huh. Let's try that again. There we go. And now oh, that's new. Control X. And we're emerging Hyprland. So yeah, just tell me how you guys doing, or if you like what I put out, or if you do not, then that's cool. Just tell me why. This is good stuff. As you can see, always that the Gentoo wiki is god tier. All right, we're all done. And now we're gonna install a bar called Waybar. So emerge, ask Waybar. Ayo with the mayo, whatever that means. It's like saying no mayonnaise, please. Lord knows what that means. What up? How's it going, Jarek? We're just installing Hyprland right now. How you been? Oh yeah? Yeah. It does. So how you been? Alright. And now we're gonna also install a terminal emulator for Hyprland. I'm gonna use Alacrity. So emerge ask Alacrity. Um So far that I know that you have to manually install it. There's no like Arch install equivalent of Gentoo that I know about. But Gentoo, like it's like a simple it's like how you say, it's like a manual install of Arch Linux. If you plan to compile, it's more involved. Yeah. If that explains it. But if you're a complete beginner, I would say try Arch Linux and just use the Arch install, because I see that because you said Arch install, so I would assume that. Yeah, that's true. That's the beauty of having a, let's see, a high functioning computer, or a, these are my specs. And now Yeah, there should be a script. I just don't know of any. I just, yeah, install it like through the handbook and stuff. On the Guru repository. Yeah, but that's true. I agree with Janice or Yanis. I don't know how to pronounce it, sorry. Oh, Jan? Oh, Han? I don't know. Let's see here. E-select repos. Let's see here. ABCD. The German Jane is read Ionis is read at I. Ionis. That's cool. Welcome to the stream. Glad you're here. Yeah, you can. You can get a ThinkPad. I'm honored. Let's see. Where's the Guru repository? There we go. So, DOAS E-select repo. Yeah, Gentoo is cool. Excuse me. I heard HP laptops are hard to deal with. I have a buddy who works in IT that says he doesn't like HP. I don't like HP printers, so yeah. Huh, it's on the hyper overlay. Huh. Oh, wow. So the HP is infamous in the IT world. I would see that. Yeah, I'd see that. With a lot of proprietary crap on it. Aw, man. I'm sorry I have to deal with that. Alright. Yeah. Lenovo's are great, especially their ThinkPads. So CD etc portage. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's right. I have to use the Emacs. Yeah, the E series I would try to avoid then. I forgot what laptop I got, what ThinkPad I got, but it's one of the newer ones. With a Ryzen 5, I think. Oh man, excuse me. Oh man. You too. Have a good night. Thank you for joining. Oh wow. 2,209 packages. Yep. On your system or on mine's? Mm. And we're gonna make the hyper. Alrighty. Hello, how are you? What's the question, Clyde? Jarek? Oh wait, I already have Emacs open. Silly me. How you doing, Clyde? Let's see. Space FF. Can you optimize your laptop for your specs? I guess you can. Yeah. Right now I'm on desktop. Right now. An Intel Pentium? Wow. I am not getting the Fedora. I have a beating stick. Just kidding. It's a fedora. Shit. That's a good one. I'll be like, oh, my lady. No, that's cool, man. That's funny. That's funny. I like that. That's cool. Glad you joined in. Alright, the Hyprland. Thinking of calling it a night because it's kind of late right now. It's like 1 in the morning and my parents are sleeping. And yes, I do stay sleep with my parents because even on my unk age, I can't afford to buy a house or a mortgage. So, yeah. If any questions, let me know. PC specs? Alright. $14 karma. That's cool. These are my specifications if you want to see. Applications. Whoa. Here are the specs. So I got a AMD Ryzen 9 9900X3D, 32 gigabytes of RAM, AMD 9070 XT, discrete graphics card, and a internal integrated graphics from the Ryzen 9. So yeah. Have a good one. I'm about to end it too, so yeah. I'll just yeah. I'll if you like it, like it. If you dislike it, tell me why. And maybe on the next stream I'll configure